Hey everyone, it's Mr. P. How do we here with another video today looking at Mote. Now the other day we shared a video looking at and exploring the power of using voice notes for feedback in Google Classroom, and today we've got another game-changing video for you where we can look at using Mote as part of Google Slides. This one is definitely one you want to have a look at. Yes everyone, the other day we looked at Mote and we looked at using it as part of a feedback tool in Google Classroom where you could use short voice notes to respond to answers or questions or queries that your learners may have during their Google Classroom time. Today we're going to look at another game-changing option for Mote, and that is adding voice notes directly into Google Slides. Now this is a new feature within Mote, and for me I absolutely love this. So when you log into Google Slides, you'll be able to see your Mote icon here just next to the present and the chat function bar. Okay, so that means you've got it available in your Chrome extension to use. If you haven't got this, you're going to need to install Mote, and if you want to know how to do that, you're going to need to check out my previous video on using Mote for feedback. So once you've got it into Google Slides, okay, I've got my Google Slide presentation here. I'm going to click onto the Mote button to open up my voice notes. Now the first time that you do this, you'll be asked to accept a few things. So we'll need to link into your Google Drive, and it will ask you for permission to use your microphone. So if you're happy to do that, then please continue with that process so that you can use Mote within Slides. So it's very, very simple. Once you've got into Google Slides then and you've added and accepted all those permissions, hit the M or the Mote emoticon to start your recording, and as you hit start you can then record instructions on Google Slides for children to listen to when they're going through the slides asynchronously or independently. So very simple, click the button. Welcome to today's session all about friction and your friction investigation. Today you're going to think about how we can continue to develop our understanding of friction as a force. Once you're happy, click on the Mote button, it'll think, and what you can then do is you can hit the restart button, you can play it and listen to it. Welcome to today's session all about friction and your friction investigation. Once you're happy, you can either delete it or hit the insert button, and it will go directly then onto the slide that you are on. And as you can see, hold tight while we magically insert your Mote. So as it goes in then, it will appear, okay, as a sound button at the top or somewhere on your page, which you can make bigger. You can put little notes for the children to click and listen, and all they simply need to do then is hit the play button. Welcome to today's session all about friction, and they can hear then the voice note or the instructions that you've left. So on the right hand side, it will then give you some formatting options. So you can hit automatically, so in presenter mode, as soon as they go onto the slide, that voice note will start playing. You can put it on a loop so it continues playing. You can change the size, you can change its position. You can recolor it if you want to, so if you like to have different colors on your slides or you want it to fit in with your theme, then you can change the colors. Okay, put a shadow on it, reflect it, entirely up to you what you want to do. But those voice notes will then save in the presentation, so as the children work through, they can click on the voice note, they can get little hints, tips and tricks as they go along. For me, I think this is going to be incredibly important for providing instruction to children when they're working asynchronously and working on a task that you can't always support on. So get onto Mote, check it out, definitely recommend. Thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. I hope this has been useful. For more videos and tips and tricks, please check out the website.